Hi everyone, welcome to Mika's.com Food Review. We are now at the Harbourfront Center, a very nice and beautiful place to be around, and you can see a beautiful sunset, especially in the evening. Okay guys, we're gonna have our dinner at Qiji. Nice place. Restaurant is at Qiji Harbourfront. Okay, recommending to everyone to come here and try. Okay guys, now we are having our dinner at Harbourfront. The order today for dinner is laksa and curry chicken Thai rice. Okay guys, our food is here already. So this is the Laksa clam. Looks so nice. Okay, this is Laksa. It looks so creamy. Tahu. Right, some fish cakes. So nice. Okay. The price of this is $4.40. For the chicken rice Thai, $5. Okay, guys, you take a look at this laksa. Laksa is so nice. Okay, we have an egg, half egg, some tahu. Okay. The gravy is very milky and creamy. Right, so now I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, here it goes. Wow. It's kind of spicy by the way. It's really nice. Goes with the tea. I recommend you come to Iki. One in Harbourfront here. Other people I'm not sure how it tastes like. But so far here is the best. Tofu. Egg. This is really spicy. Right. Spicy food though. Oh, some biscuits. Let's go in. Oh, power. Okay, this is the chicken rice Thai by Qiji.
Chicken curry rice.
Oh, chicken curry rice Thai. Alright. Okay. Now I'm gonna try. That's good. Oh bro, this is the best curry. Alright, the chicken Thai is big. It's very nice. The curry, really like it. Right? Oh, you can see how tender is the chicken is. It's nice. Mixed with some eggs, chicken. Okay, go one more. Okay, so do subscribe.
my channel and like my videos. Okay, see you me again. Stay tuned. Power world.